Hi guys, it's Monica. Today is day 27 of Veda. Tuesday, the 27th. And you know what that means, don't you? That means it's another Tuesday buyer tip. And this time, I want to talk about something called confidentiality. So, you're buying a house, or you want to buy a house in New Hampshire. And this discussion that I'm going to have with you applies only to New Hampshire because different states have different rules, and if you're buying in another state, you should know whether or not confidentiality might apply to your purchase offer or not. In the state of New Hampshire, however, purchase offers generally are not confidential. So in a multiple offer situation, it is usually up to the seller's discretion, unless of course there's a confidentiality agreement in place. It's up to the seller, to their discretion, if they feel that they want to, for whatever reason, direct their agent to release the terms, the condition of your offer, the terms and conditions of your offer to another buyer who made an offer in an attempt to maybe get them to come up or you to come up. I hate to use the word shopping an offer, but that's basically what it is. So this applies only to New Hampshire. Generally, purchase offers are not confidential. Once they're signed, when I say that, signed by all parties, fully executed purchase and sales agreement, then that's a whole different story. But during the initial offer phase, they are usually not confidential, and most buyers do not know that. Your agent should be discussing that with you. Understand clearly that once you turn that offer over, it belongs to the seller. And if there's a multiple offer situation going on, they could very reasonably want to disclose the terms of your offer and the conditions of your offer to another buyer in an attempt to get those buyers to come up higher. So purchase offers, not always confidential. In fact, the few times that I've actually tried to insert a confidentiality agreement, which obviously has to be done before the P&S, the seller side said no way. I mean, really, if you were a seller, would you want to sign a confidentiality agreement like that? Probably not. So Tuesday buyer tip, day 27, Veda's almost over. For April anyways. And this was Tuesday buyer tip. Is your offer confidential? Do you know the answer to that question? Hopefully now you do, and hopefully you will now think about it if you're buying a home, no matter where, no matter what part of the country, you ask the question of your agent about confidentiality. Monika McGillicuddy, Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, Verani Realty, 603-944-9172.